For most Americans, living in San Diego would be a dream come true. But for those who have made that dream a reality, we understand that it comes with a heavy price tag. From the cost of living to the traffic and gas prices, the California lifestyle takes a heavy toll on the human body and psyche. Sometimes our best is just not good enough, and we need help maintaining our mental and physical health. That's when we turn to Dr. Leland.
Go bend here. Lift your, lift. Pull your foot to your butt, foot to the butt, and pull. No, don't just lift up, just the foot, and pull here. Good, drop down just a little bit. Pull again here, pull. Good, excellent, pull again here. Beautiful, good. All right, big breath in, please. Drop, good, a little more here. Good, last one here. Thank you, beautiful. Good, big breath in, all the way out. Good, thank you, one more time. Thank you, good. Excellent, good. Other side, flip over. And all the way out. One more time. Thank you, beautiful, good. All right, chin down to your chest, arms forward, good. Big breath in, big breath out. Here we go, go back. Good. 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 Last one. Good. Beautiful, thank you. Good, Gustavo. Go. Butt up, butt up, up. Thank you, beautiful. Awesome. Smile, look up, there you go. Good, smile, look up. Good, beautiful, good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, good. Thank you, beautiful. Awesome. So feet apart, push apart here, push apart. Good. Right leg push out, right leg push out. Good. Left leg push out. Good, excellent. Right leg straight up and push up. Good. Left leg up, push up here. Good. Pull your right knee up, knee to your chest, and up and pull, pull, good. Up here and pull, good. Where is it you're feeling most, on the right hand side or left side? On the sides here? Good, okay. Put this hand here right on your side, right there, good. Out, push out, up there. Come to the front, right by the pants, right there, good. So right leg push out, right leg push out. A little more, push out, that's it. It's gonna be a little tighter. Good. Out, push out, much better. Good. Left side, same thing, push out, good. This leg can lift up, bring it to the outside.
Outside?
Yep, turn slightly. Good. Push up to this guy, push up, beautiful, good. Same thing on the other side, lift up, and push up, beautiful, good. Excellent, okay. Bring both knees up, all the way to the chest, all the way up, and pull, Good, wonderful. Feet down. Push both knees away, good. Push and hold, push. Good, excellent. Push here and hold. Good. Doing good today. Doing really well today. Straight, right arm up, arm straight, back. Push up. Almost. Push again, push up. Good. Yeah. Again, up. Push up. Good. Look down. Good. Bend away. Good. Bend toward me. Good. Look away. And look toward me. Good. Great. Fantastic. Better. Yeah, you dressed really well today.